Hi everyone, my name is Saurav Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 24th November 2021 and today's topic name is encapsulation in Java. So in this video we will discussing about what is encapsulation in Java, use of encapsulation and example of encapsulation and advantages of encapsulation. Let's start with what is encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation in Java is the basic concept of the object oriented programming language, means OOPS. In OOPS there are four concepts. First one is encapsulation, next is abstraction, next is polymorphism, and next is inheritance. So from this we will discussing about the encapsulation. Encapsulation in Java is the process of wrapping the code or data in the single unit, and we can by using the getter method and setter method we can set the value and get the value from the of the data. How to implement the encapsulation? By to implement encapsulation we can make all the data members in the class private. We can make the all the data members of the class private. It means encapsulation is implemented. And by using, let's discuss the advantages of the encapsulation. By using setter method and getter method we can make this class read only and write only. And by using setter method and getter method we can set the value of this for this data and get the value of the data. Let's discuss the simple example. The real life example of the encapsulation is capsule. It means capsule outer cover protect the medicine inside the capsule from the outside. This is the encapsulation, means we can save the data of the class by encapsulation. Let's discuss the simple example. If the data member is id and we can set the value of the id is greater than 100, then by using setter method we can write the logic inside the setter method is id is greater than 100. It means if the id is greater than 100 then it will save the value of the id in setter method, and by using getter method we can get this value of the id. Let's discuss the difference between abstraction and encapsulation. Abstraction is the process of to get the for gaining the information, and encapsulation is the process of contain information. Abstraction is implemented by making any class abstract or interface, and encapsulation is implemented by making the data private, means we can access modifier of this data member is private. This is the difference between encapsulation and abstraction. Thank you.